everyone, this is Amanda Wray coming to you with a quick video about Infinity Processing System and how you can earn an additional $50, $150, or $300 per day using the system. I am going to share with you income proof that the system works. I've been involved with this opportunity for about a year now, and it has been paying me consistently throughout the year. And this is a great way to actually replace your income or add an additional income to whatever it is you're currently doing. Another thing I love about this opportunity is the fact that this is part-time. You can pick this up as a side hustle. You don't have to spend a lot of hours with this opportunity. And Infinity Processing System pays out 100% commissions. So the money will be going directly to your account. And this is a worldwide opportunity. So as long as you have a bank account, you have a third-party payment processor, as an example, PayPal, Zelle, TransferWise, Payoneer, Cash App, Venmo, Stripe, Authorize.net, you can use this system. So what I recommend is that when you get started, find out what third-party payment processor is located where you're at, and that's the one I would go with, because you can connect your website to get paid through any payment processor. So with this three-step system, what you're going to actually be doing is choosing the level that you want to get started at. You're going to get free ads to post. You don't have to pay for any traffic. This is all free methods. And then once you start posting your ads on any social media platform of your choice, you're going to start getting paid. Now, if you don't know what social media platform to post on or how to do it, when you actually make your purchase, you're going to get training in your back office that's going to show you exactly what to do step by step. So with your membership, you're going to receive videos that's going to give you the information that you need in order to get started, setting up your website, setting up your payment processor, and then you're going to receive your ads that are going to allow you to start earning income with this opportunity. So step one is going to be just an introduction about Infinity Processing System. Step two is creating your sales funnel. This information for the sales funnel is only at the $300 level, which is the level that I'm at. And your back office will look exactly like this. It's going to give you information on what to say if people ask you for information, having a winning mindset, the art of persuasion. Here, you're going to get your 200 pre-written ads and your 60 bonus image ads. They have a 7-day success action plan, which is what I highly recommend, because you know exactly what to do every day of the week with your business and how to make the most of the time that you utilize when running your business. You don't need a lot of hours to do this. This is really going to be extremely part-time. You're not going to have to spend more than 5 to 7 hours per week. And when you're setting up your system, it's going to take you approximately 1 hour to start setting up your system. How to post unlimited ads. And then they have, at the $300 level, different marketing strategies using different social media platforms. So it doesn't matter which one you decide to go with. They have a little bit here for everyone. And then if you decide to do paid traffic, it is optional, but here they have solo ad providers for you to get paid traffic if you decide to go that route. Okay, so here, this is my Authorize.net account. And as you can see today, well, this was yesterday, it's really early Saturday morning, but yesterday I had a $300 payment that came in. And I also had one just a few days ago. So they are very consistent. Payments are coming in consistently with this opportunity. And again, it is extremely newbie friendly. And if you're looking for an opportunity that's going to allow you to start earning consistently, this is something you definitely want to take a look at. So here at the bottom, you see there's a total of 3 levels. You have the $50 level, the $150, and the $300 level. These are all one-time payments. There is no monthly fee to use this system. And then you have to pay a $25 fee for your website. Okay, the $25 fee is going to be for you to get your own customized website with your payment button on there so people can pay you directly. And then, like I said, depending on what level you come in at, you have your pre-written ads, your bonus image ads. At the $300 level, you're going to also get bonus hotel and restaurant discounts and a vacation voucher for, I believe, 3 days and 2 nights. Okay. Also, with Infinity Processing System, you're going to receive access to our Facebook group where we have trainings. They have some live trainings and also replays of trainings that we've had over the last 6 to 7 months. You're going to also get access to our proof group that's going to show you other people who are actually doing very well with this opportunity, how many people are coming into this opportunity and what they're making, because people do put up proof of payments that they receive when utilizing this system. Okay. So if you're interested in taking a look at this opportunity, you want to get to know more about how this works, in the description right below this video is the information for Infinity Processing System. Also, if you would like to contact me, my information as well to reach out to me on social media is available in the website link right in the description below this video. I want to say thank you for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can receive notifications for anytime I actually post a video about work from home, online opportunities. I am into affiliate marketing, and this is how I earn a full-time income. And I am continuously working with other people to help them to start earning full-time from the comfort of their home. So thanks so much again for watching this video. Have a great day. Stay blessed and stay inspired. Bye-bye.